Segment Tesha Nikud Shalosh Nikud alef. Karavna benot ninve, ushmat nali. Karavna benot ninve, ushmat nali. Through this segment, we'll learn how to issue instructions to a group of women. As observed with earlier imperative forms, once again, with the feminine plural form, we find that this resembles the yiktol conjugation in the same binyan, only that the prefix syllable has been removed. Already you've learned a number of feminine plural imperatives simply by memorizing vocabulary that has been introduced earlier in this unit. Here's the first vocabulary list, the milim la'anot from the beginning of Unit Tesha. The words that you see highlighted in yellow are all feminine plural. So, emorna, amodna, kavotsna, kir'en or kir'ena, and shematna. These are all feminine plural imperatives. We'll begin by exploring some kal binyan imperatives, following our usual pattern of introducing the indicative, this time for second feminine plural, and then follow directly with the corresponding imperative, feminine plural. So, for example, to make the indicative statement, you, women, will draw near, we would say tikravna, tikravna. To convert that to a command, draw near, once again addressing a group of women, we would say kravna, kravna. To say in the indicative, you, women, will hear, we would say tishmatna, tishmatna. To make this a command, listen or hear, women, shematna, shematna. To make an indicative statement, you will wear, we would say tilbashna, tilbashna. To issue a direction, where, we would say levashna, levashna. Now let's turn our attention to see how weak verbs will behave in the feminine plural imperative, remaining with the kal binyan verbs. So, if there's a yod in the first position, such as with yatsa, in the indicative, we would say tetzena, tetzena. But to issue a command, tse'ena, tse'ena. Another first yod is yashav. In the indicative, teshavna, teshavna. But if instead of issuing a statement, we wish to issue a command, it would be pronounced shavna, shavna. A hollow verb such as shuv will be pronounced tashovna, tashovna, if making a statement, that is, expressing an indicative. But if instead issuing a command, it would be pronounced shovna, shovna. We'll continue through the remaining three without additional comment. Tivkena, tivkena. Bechena, bechena. Te'ehavna, te'ehavna. Ahavna, ahavna. Titena, titena. Tena, tena.